Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first, tributes continue to pour in for anti-apartheid hero Archbishop Desmon Tutu, who passed away this morning. He was 90. Tutu has been praised for his contribution to racial justice and human rights worldwide. Now for more, we turn to the CNN.
Find your cousin been killed.
When we spoke to late photographer Judah Ngwenya in 2016, he remembered a different time.
We've got funeral each week. People get killed. And then you don't find one person. 5, 6, 7, 8 people. Mass funeral happen.
During the 1980s, the apartheid regime was at war with the black majority. One of its goals, to turn the liberation movement against itself. Neighbors betrayed neighbors, friends became informants. In this maelstrom, a diminutive Anglican bishop was ever present. Desmon Tutu was never afraid to step up to the racist regime, using his bully pulpit of peace. During apartheid, Archbishop Tutu's position in the church gave him a semblance of protection, and his deep faith gave him an unwavering moral compass, even when it was deeply unpopular.
I am not a politician, even if there are those who say so. I speak from the Bible.
The car was standing down there.
For Ngwenya, Tutu's defining moment came at a funeral.
They said, no, we want him. We want to kill him.
Mourners wanted to throw a suspected informer into his burning car, but Tutu saved the man from the mob, saying he should be forgiven, that the struggle should rise above the violence of the state.
Tutu is a man of God that talks the truth. Nothing else but the truth.
But people listen.
People listen to Tutu, no matter what.
And during those dark days, with ANC leadership in jail or exile, Tutu was the voice of the struggle. But after liberation, Tutu's embrace of the ruling ANC was awkward.
You and your government don't represent me.
When the Rainbow Nation faltered, he spoke up on corruption, AIDS policy, diplomacy.
One day we will start praying for the defeat of the ANC government. You are disgraceful.
He's an equal opportunity irritant.
But Tutu's daughter says now that he's gone, South Africa will lose its conscience.
South Africa will lose a champion and a coach.
Have mercy on your pardon your sins and set you free from them.
She says Tutu always cheered South Africa when it did the right thing and consistently called the country to task when it did not.
Maureen.